In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Microsoft Teams meeting ID. If you need to join, share, or confirm the details of a Microsoft Teams meeting, knowing where to locate the meeting ID can save you time. The good news is that Teams makes this information fairly easy to access once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can find it quickly whenever you need it. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the Calendar section. This is where all of your scheduled meetings and events are organized. If you have several meetings planned, the Calendar view helps you identify the exact one you want without having to search through chats or email invitations. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct date and time range so you can find the right meeting more easily. Once you're in Calendar, select the meeting you want to view. Click on the specific event you need in it, especially if you're looking for the meeting ID for an upcoming session or one that has already been scheduled. It's important to choose the correct meeting, since each Teams meeting has its own unique ID. If you regularly schedule similar meetings, double check the title, date, and participants so you don't open the wrong one by mistake. After that, open the meeting details. Depending on your Teams layout, this may happen automatically when you click the meeting, or you may need to select the event again to expand the full details. The meeting details page is where Teams shows the main information associated with that event, such as the title, time, attendees, and joining options. This is the section you'll want to review carefully. Now, look for the meeting ID section in the meeting information. This is the key part of the process. In the meeting details, you should see a labeled area that displays the meeting ID. Once you find it, you can use it as needed for joining the meeting manually, sharing it with someone who needs access, or verifying that you have the correct meeting information. If you don't see it right away, scan through the meeting information slowly, because the layout can vary slightly depending on the version of Teams you're using. In some cases, you may need to expand the details fully to view all available information. And that's it. By going to Calendar, selecting your meeting, opening the details, and checking the meeting ID section, you can quickly find your Microsoft Teams meeting ID whenever you need it.